Hello everyone. The maximum recording parameters cut me off. My apologies. I was explaining in the previous video how an announcement I just posted a few days ago revealed that we're only going to be writing 2 major papers in the class and not 3. I'm doing that so as to not overwhelm you and so that we can have more back and forth feedback and practice working on your daily writing assignments. I want everyone to feel comfortable working with me back and forth transactionally on these types of assignments that are only 10% of your grade as opposed to 20, 30, 40. The 2 papers that you will write are the opposing viewpoints analysis and the final research paper, and those 2 papers are going to be your opportunity to show me what you've learned, to translate how your writing has grown through all of this practice we're doing. That's really all I have for administrative updates. I've met a few of you. I put an announcement out also about the introductory videos, yet I've only seen one. I've only seen Eric's introduction. He happened to stop by my office the other day. I was able to meet him. I would like to meet the rest of you, or at least see you. Introduce yourself. Make sure that you go and post your introductory video to Flipgrid. You can find that in the first week's module. All you have to do is click on the link. You can do it on your cell phone, your tablet, your computer. There are about 4 or 5 questions about yourself to answer. All you have to do is just hit record, answer the questions. It takes probably 2 minutes to do that. So I would like to see everyone complete that. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I do have office hours available and can meet with you by appointment as necessary. When you start writing and when we start getting into the weeds of academic tone and some of the things that you're going to have to improve in your writing, it can be difficult to do virtually or asynchronously. So I want you to know that you can reach out to me. We can hop on a Zoom call, share the screen. We can arrange to meet in person. Some of the things in the formatting and improving your writing and sentence structure, some of that is better for some people to see kinesthetically or in person or side by side with someone else. I'm happy to provide that experience for you if that's what helps you. All right. You all take care. Hope you're doing well. Let me know if you have any questions.